Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Maria.
The island boy Africa.
And little island boy.
Yeah.
Anyways guys, happy new year. Well, happy new Eves when it comes. Yeah. So we're just going into town guys, and we're just gonna go and get some stuff. We have visitors coming over, so you guys will get to meet them later on. Yeah, so it's gonna be a vibe guys. Let's party it up because it is the last day of 2020. Let's bring on the new year with something bigger and better. Alright? Blessings everyone. For another year. I know this year's been very difficult for so many people around the world, but we're still here and we're thankful. We're thankful for every chance that we get to be alive and well. So guys, I'm gonna leave the vlog here for now, but I'll get out of this cab and continue to vlog. Just probably be really busy because it's New Year's Eve maybe. Yeah, so ice cream place is open guys. Parking's full of people. There you go, Portland people. So we're in town. We haven't really been on this side of the strip. Anyways, guys, we're here. Yay! Busy Portland. Yeah.
Busy for the New Year's Eve.
Yeah. Busy guys. Don't really want to. Where are we going? Oh, okay. So guys, yeah, just got to be really careful that we don't get run over here, because if we do, we're in trouble. Hey Bobo! Hey Bobo!
Like a long line here too.
Oh shit.
I wonder, must be a reason why there's no line. Must be a reason why there's no line there. Because usually it will be packed.
Oh.
So let's see. Maybe it's not working.
Could be. Yeah guys, so that's what's up. We are the island family going to get some money.
Yes,
so real quickly guys, this is Tracy. Hi. She's one of our followers on YouTube guys. Yay! Finally she saw me at the bank and she's like, hey Maria. I'm like, oh hey. At first I was like, who is that? And then when you said Tracy I was like, yay, you know. I know she is. So alright, cool. Yeah. We'll catch up, alright?
Yeah,
alright,
you.
sweet.
Thank you.
Yeah, you too. Take care. See you, hon. Bye.
Yeah guys, so we just see one of our fans from a while ago, you see me? Yeah, it's a vibe. How about babe? Alright, ready?
Okay.
Alright,
Hi
guys.
guys, I just came to a store. I came here yesterday. I bought some really nice tomatoes, which I made a salad. Cucumber, I'm buying it for the first time from this lovely lady. Come down to Port Antonio, guys. She's really good. She'll sell you some good produce, eh?
Yeah.
I'm about to buy a red onion as well. I'm just gonna get one red onion. Oh, yeah, do you want? Just one. Yeah, alright guys, so you know what to do. Come down, Port Antonio Market.
Yeah. Chill place, you know?
Can I put it in your bag?
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a good New Year's, okay? Thank you.
Alright. Now I don't hear you.
Check for you. Are you ready?
Don't go here, babe. Walk through this. Yeah, man. Cool, no? There, man. Is he good?
Alright, where's good? That him man said to come yesterday.
So I walk through the market, you know, guys.
To the supermarket, yeah.
Yeah. Hello. Hey, we're good, you know. That guy's not there today.
Huh?
That guy's not there today.
So what you getting, babe?
Just
Yes. Slip-ons are good.
No. They didn't break, so it's good. I'm good. I'm good, baby. You want to get a plate?
yeah, we're gonna go on.
Don't they have plastic ones?
They must now.
They don't have plastic. You go on that side, maybe over there. They don't have plastic there. I've checked already. It's all glass, babe.
Dinner before night, come catch me.
They have like
No, we have plastic plates.
you do have plastic plates?
No flat plastic plate.
Do you have like plastic cups?
Cups
Cups.
on that side.
For wine and that. 'Cause these are cheaper, 55.
Yeah, guys, so let's get a few stuff. Not much. I couldn't find great.
Yeah, they don't have plastic plates. Not
Yeah.
flat ones anyway. Alright, let's go, guys.
Alright. That's what we needed.
Yeah.
We're heading back home now.